Hey guys, welcome to the channel Everything Justified. I'm Vaibhav Devrani and today I'm gonna share with you gift certificate and gift or prize you can say from SOF Olympiads. So this is the gift certificate of year 2019 to 20, and this award is given for outstanding performance in SOF Olympiads. My zonal rank in Himachal Pradesh and Jammu Kashmir was 4th, so I have got a scholarship of books for rupees 1000. So let me show you. I will unbox the other subjects after some time. I have just opened it as I was too curious about it. So I have selected these books for the scholarship of 1000 rupees. This is IEO workbook class 9th for my brother. As I won't be able to read that much books, my father had also gifted me some. This is IMO class 9th. This is IMO class 10th. This is IEO of class 8th, and this book I was doing right now, IEO class 7th, IMO class 7th. This IEO class 7th. These are IQ books, Science IQ Challenge class 8th, 9th, 10th, and Maths IQ Challenge class 8th, 9th, and 10th. I'll share with you this year's gift later on, as it hasn't came now of maths and science later. So thank you guys. Please write in the comment section, did you like this video or not, and please inform me if you want more such videos from my other gift certificates and gifts also, then I can make it. Thank you guys. View our channel again and again and subscribe to it. Thank you.